to Vani Vision. Today we are going to learn about multiplication of 3-digit numbers with 2-digit numbers. So the same balancing method only we are going to use it. But quite like a line in a line way we have written the numbers, right? Now we are going to use step by step. So first when we multiply one number with the other number in one line, then the second digit multiplication will write in the second line. Then the third digit multiplication will be written in the third line. Okay? So don't get confused. I'll show you with an example. Okay? My first example is 123 into 22. First we'll do it in general way how we have learned up to now. Okay? So 123 into 22. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Okay, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Now add it. 6, 10, 7, 2. So 2706 is my answer. Now this number we are going to multiply in easy way. See here. 123 into 22. So the same what we have done in the 2-digit to 2-digit, no, the same way. The first digit with first digit with second digit. Then second digit with first digit, second digit with second digit. Then third digit with first digit, then third digit with second digit. Oh, this method only we are going to use. Okay. Now 1 2s are 2. Separate. 1 2s are 2. So I told you this is my first step. Okay. Then next. 2 2s are 4. So under the first step, the last digit, under it we are going to write it. So 2 2s are 4. Now separate, write a slash. Then 2 2s are 4. This is my second step. So step 1, step 2. Okay. Then my third step with my third digit. Okay. 3 2s are 6. Where I should write? Under the last digit of my second step. So 3 2s are 6 slash 3 2s are 6. Now what I am going to do? I am going to add. These are my 3 steps. 6, 6, 4, 10, a carry, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2. Is it easy? Right? In easy way we are going to multiply the 3 digit with 2 digit, right? Understood? See what we are doing here means one digit, first digit with the first digit with the second digit. Then second digit with the first digit, second digit with the second digit. Then third digit with the first digit and third digit with the second digit. But in a line way I am not writing. I am writing in a step wise. 3 steps. 3 digits now you are going to get 3 steps. If it is 4 digit, you are going to get 4 steps. If it is 5 digits, you are going to get 5 digits. Okay. If it is a 4 digit with 3 digits, now two numbers I got it, right? Now I get one more here. That's it. Clear? And then my second example is 134 into 24. 134 into 24. Same method. First digit to first digit to second digit. Second digit to first digit, second digit to second digit. Third digit to first digit, third digit to second digit. Same we are going to follow here also. Clear? I am not going to mention, directly we'll write. And only the one thing you have to remember is step. We'll be supposed to write it in the step. Up to 2 digits, it's okay, right? Linearly, like in the line, if we write, no problem. We can do it easily. We can identify. We can, like, one thing is middle numbers are added up, done. But when we come for the higher number, high digits like 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digits, we have to go through the steps only. Then only we are going to get it easy. Yeah, then we won't get confusion. If it write all the numbers in a line away, we are not going to get a correct answer. So that's the reason we have to choose the steps there. Okay, shall we start doing this? See, 1 2s are 2 slash 1 4s are 4. This is my step 1. Then 3 2s are 6. Under the last digit of the first step, we have to write our second digit. Okay, second number multiplication is done. No? Second digit, first answer should be written under it. Then separate 3 4s are 12. Okay. Then here 4 2s are 8. 4 4s are 16. This is my second. This is my third. Now add. We have to write this 6 as it is. Now whatever the number is there in tens place, na, that should be go to the next positions, like 8, 9, 10, 11. 1 carry. Okay. 1, 2. This should be added in this column. See, we are jumping the numbers. We are jumping. See, 1, 2, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 1 carry. So, our answer is 3216. So, now you may get, is it correct only? I think so. I feel it is wrong. So, for that, we are going to check it. So, 134 into 24. 4 4s are 16. 4 3s are 12, 13. The 4, 5. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2. 6, 11, 12, 1. 3216. Is it clear? Is it easy? So, here see all carries here and there. So, here we can do it in a easy way. Clear? Then, we'll go for our next example. That is 123 into 24 will go. Clear? Then 2, 4. Then 4, 8. This is my first step. No need of writing also. As we get habituated, we'll write it by our own in the steps. Then 3 2s are 6. Then 3 4s are 12. So write this 2 as it is. This will go up here. 8, 9 plus 6, 15. 1, 4, 4, 8, 9, 2952. So when we check, shall we check it? So 123 into 54, 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8, 9, 4 1s are 4. 5 3s are 15, 10, 11, 1s are 5, 6. So, sorry, I have taken here 5, we have to take 2, right? See, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So 2, 5, 9, 2. So you got it correct, right? Answer. So is it easy or is it easy? It is also easy if you know the tables perfectly, right? If I don't know the tables correctly, at that time it will be little mess. Here, like 1 table I know, 2 table also I know, 3 table also I know. At that time, we can do this big multiplication also in easy way. Okay. Then next, we'll go for the next example. That is 125 into 32. Okay. 125 into 32. See. 3 separate 2. Then 2 3s are 6. Then slash 2 2s are 4. Then 5 3s are 15. Then slash 5 2s are 10. So now we should write 0 as it is, and this one will go as a carry here. So 4, 5, 5, 10, 0, 1. These 2 will go as a carry. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then 4. So our answer is 4,000. See, nothing we are doing here. Don't get confused there. 1's place will be written as an answer down. But 10's place will go jump into the 1's place, and there it is going to be added up. Okay. Now shall we check it? 125 into 32. 2 5s are 10. 4, 5, 2 1s are 2. 3 5s are 15. 3 2s are 6, 7. 3 1s are 3. 0, 0, 0, 4. So is it correct? So with our next example, that is 232 into 12. Okay. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Then 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. Then 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. So now add 4, 8, 7, 2. Right? Now we'll check this answer. 232 into 12. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 3, 2. 4, 8, 7, 2. Is it correct? Yes, right? Is it easy, right, to add it? Sorry, to multiply it in this way? Yes, right? Is it easy? Yes. So now I'm giving you one question. You have to solve it and comment me the answer. Clear? So 216 into 24. So what is the answer for it? Yeah, I am going to see your answer in my comment box soon. So if you are having any doubts in this method, you can comment me. I'm here to solve your questions. Okay? Stay tuned to Vani Vision.